Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can rotate text boxes in or on your website you create on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your website in the website editor on Wix. And what you want to do next is click into the given text box, like for example that one here for that section here, and in the top left corner you will see this button. So what you want to do is click into it, hold it with your left mouse and adjust your custom angle here. You will see, for example, 20 degree and so on and so forth, and you can do that with these text boxes. And yeah, that's basically how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.